Welcome to the Hollow Point Trading Session Recap for June 2, 2026. Today we'll review trades on Coin, JPM, QQQ, SPX, NQ, and AAPL, focusing on catching the bottom and identifying the squeeze zone. We begin with Section 01, the setup. JPM was showing clear signs of an impending move a full day in advance. JPM was loaded a day early, with the 65,300C entered on Monday, setting the stop loss at 288. The initial call-out was looking for JPM calls. The spread-up was called a full day in advance, leading to a massive gain. We hit the target with a "Look at JPM go" call-out, resulting in a bang of plus 60%. Moving to Section 02, the open. We had 3 setups and 3 levels, all of which were posted live to the room. At 8:31 a.m., we entered a speculative Coin 170p put with a single contract. Simultaneously, JPM 310C was already up 13.33%, with a stop loss at 295. Key callouts included SPX 0 DTE, Coin, reaching a gain of 65%, and JPM hitting 60%. Every idea was posted live with a defined level and a plan. Section 03 focuses on the read, highlighting the, quote, falling 3 feet pattern and the subsequent reversal off the swing low. This multi-chart read covered ES, NQ, Coin, and JPM, all analyzed using the HPT fib extension to identify potential moves. The chart showed the falling 3 feet pattern confirmed by a JPM alert, which tripped exactly at the crucial level of 297.73. Mapping the reversal was key. NQ reclaimed its swing low at $30,423.75, confirming the directional change. Next, Section 04, the book. This section highlights how swing trades and intraday trades complemented each other. The book included significant gains on SMCI, JPM, and XOM. The SMCI Deck 2750C swing alone yielded over $12,000, illustrating how swings and intraday work together. Finally, Section 05, room wins. The true measure of success is that the entire room profits from the shared calls. A great room win from Joel Hand 001 booked $135 off the Coin 170p put callout, realizing a plus 60% profit. DD 17927 reported strong room wins, including a 58.1% gain on Coin 170p for a $139 profit and a 23% runner on INTC 170C. We move into Section 06, the Apple. This part focuses on successfully marking the squeeze zone before the price reached it. The AAPL 320C entry was made at 11:52 a.m., yielding an $11 per contract gain from the callout before the message was even complete. The squeeze zone was clearly marked between 314.08 and 314.91. This was drawn before the price arrived, indicating a key breakout or fall-through level. The AAPL 320C trade achieved a plus 8.0% gain, or $175, with an entry at 88 cents across 25 contracts, marking the climb all the way up. This slide emphasizes that targets and levels must be marked, or you are simply guessing. The target was 330. And the psychology of the trade was called live. The AAPL 320C continued climbing, reaching plus 13.6% for a $300 profit. The level held firm, and the instruction was to let it work. Section 07, the hold, focuses on managing drawdowns. This is the crucial part that is often hidden, showing a recovery from a $585 loss to a plus 48.9% gain. The trade went from being down $585 to only down $130, illustrating the importance of holding the level. The reversal was already mapped out. The QQQ 65,730p was part of the basket and was working early with a plus 2.9% gain. The strategy involved letting both the green and red legs run, simultaneously managing AAPL at plus 8%, QQQ in the red, and MNQ live, demonstrates the process of managing 3 instruments tick for tick. A detailed dissection of the AAPL basket shows the 320C core at plus 40.9%, hedged by the 68,315p, plus an MNQ short at $206, all managed in real time. AAPL reached plus 33%, while QQQ lagged at minus 8%. The key takeaway: you won't secure a plus 50% gain if you panic and fold on a temporary minus 70% loss. Apple turned green again, breaking the highs exactly as mapped. The importance of sticking to the plan is crucial for success. AAPL pressed the squeeze zone at 314.76, right at the top of the marked range, validating the initial analysis of the level. Managing a trade even when you mess up is essential. We trimmed 50, locking in a $1,000 profit, proving the value of managing a position tick for tick. The QQQ basket rotated into a 6,2743 P with a plus 4.9% gain. We successfully rotated the QQQ puts and secured a small win on the MNQ short. AAPL 320C turned into a plus 48.9% winner, demonstrating the combo working effectively, recovering from being down $585 to a substantial gain. The book closed the day at a plus $1,107, pushing the portfolio to over $101,000. This included AAPL at plus 5.3% and the 320C at plus 49.3%. Section 08 is titled The Sweep, focusing on SPX 0 DTE and achieving an all-green afternoon. Apple was up massively, with a structured ad, a 618 and 340/330th debit spread. The SPX 7600 P0 DTE secured a plus 52% gain. It was an incredible day, with coin puts, JPM calls, AAPL calls, NQ shorts, and QQQ puts all closing in the green. Section 09 covers NQ futures. This shows the application of the same map to a different instrument, MNQ. We rode the squeeze zone using MNQ, confirming that the same map and levels translated effectively to this instrument. A key trade was MNQ long 10 contracts at 30,672.25, resulting in a plus $112 gain. The market reclaimed the level and ran. The squeeze zone on NQ was identified between 30,680.25 and 30,682.50. We marked the chop and successfully traded their claim of the level. Section 10 is dedicated to room wins. The goal is to ensure the entire trading room profits from the shared calls and analysis. Member Bianchi closed AAPL 320C for a plus $126 win, confirming that the call translated into profits for others. Another member was still practicing but booked gains, while Joelhan secured a second RKTO win at plus 230%. Roshan Lynch secured a plus $225 SPXW win. The trading community achieved impressive gains, including one member closing a plus $3,712 day. Looking at Roshan's sheet, we see a win on NDXP 30,640C for a gain of $2,510. There were also successful trades on AAPL and Coin. Joelhan 001 realized a profit of $655.20 from RKTO, representing a significant 178% gain. The room saw success across the board. Killer Krill hit their $500 per day goal with wins on AAPL 320C and Coin 170P. They mentioned they are still holding AAPL swings. Thank you for watching this recap video. Join us at hollowpointtrading.com for live sessions, daily callouts, and trading education.